How can you find hidden public art in Williamsburg? Imagine walking through a neighborhood where every corner might hide a piece of art waiting to surprise you. Williamsburg in Brooklyn is just that kind of place. It's famous for its lively street art scene, but some of the coolest pieces are not immediately obvious. To find these hidden gems, start by exploring areas known for their murals, like Bedford Avenue and the waterfront near Domino Park. These spots are filled with large murals by well-known artists, but look closer and you'll see smaller works tucked into alleyways or on the sides of buildings. Some art is painted on shipping containers or on the backs of storefronts, so keep your eyes open while strolling around. The Williamsburg Houses, built in 1936 under the Works Progress Administration, feature abstract murals designed to be calming and non-representational. While some of these murals have been moved to museums or restored, you can still see parts of their history during special neighborhood tours or art exhibitions. Using digital tools can help too. Apps dedicated to street art, like the Street Art Map, show locations of murals, graffiti, and paste-ups. Some apps even offer audio stories about the artists or the stories behind the pieces, making your walk more engaging. Joining local art events like Open House New York can give you access to private or lesser-known art spaces that are not always open to the public. These events often include temporary or hidden artworks that you might miss otherwise. Walking tours, whether self-guided or led by local guides, are another great way to discover hidden art. These tours often focus on street art that changes regularly, so visiting more than once can reveal new works. Pay attention to small details like stickers, stencil art, or paste-ups, which are often overlooked but add to Williamsburg's artistic vibe. In short, finding hidden public art in Williamsburg is about exploring the neighborhood streets, using digital maps and guides, participating in local art events, and keeping your eyes open for subtle pieces. This neighborhood's ever-changing art scene makes every visit a new adventure, full of surprises waiting to be discovered.